Nimlock is an industry-leading provider of exhibit and display solutions of all types: custom modular, custom, rental, and portable. Since its inception in 1970, Nimlock has remained committed to producing innovative, high-quality exhibits and displays. For over 45 years, Nimlock has built an exclusive network of expert dealers who have experience delivering exhibit and environmental solutions to their customers. In the United States, Nimlock has over 80 expert dealers, all professionally trained and well-versed in Nimlock's many exhibit systems and solutions. The demand for quality displays, delivered with excellent service by knowledgeable experts, has been the driving factor for Nimlock since its foundation in the UK in 1970. Over the years, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities have been built across the globe, from Las Vegas, Nevada to the suburbs of Chicago, Illinois, Ontario, Canada, and the reaches of the United Kingdom. No matter where your exhibit or event may take you, Nimlock has manufacturing operations worldwide and skilled partners in over 56 countries to provide Nimlock exhibit solutions and expertise. Whether you're looking for something as simple as a premium banner stand or as large as a custom-designed island exhibit, Nimlock has a full spectrum and expansive range of exhibit and display solutions. Nimlock's full line of client services are expansive, from trade show and event planning consultation, exhibit design, graphic design, interior space design, and much more. Due to the ever-changing culture of trade shows and events, Nimlock works with clients to understand their trade show and event needs by helping develop a budget and branding system that results in successful events that deliver an excellent return on investment. Please visit our website to learn more about Nimlock's ever-growing capabilities today.